Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is question about that. In my YouTube channel, can I promote using Pinterest option? It is possible or not? Yes. How it is possible? I can open my video here. Anybody searching this question? So, so many people uploading our videos are here. We can go to the videos. So many people uploading my option will be videos are here. But my question is called how to share post or video on Instagram. This is my post. How to repost video on Instagram. So same keyword I can promote through my video. So that is called, in video we can selecting option name is called, one of the name option name is called Pinterest. The Pinterest how to use. First of all, Pinterest we have to install will be save button. We have to install this option. That is called simple. Select this video. Click here option name is called Pinterest toolbar. Right click, add this keyword and create it. One video I can advertise will be different keywords. How many keywords? So this all kind of keywords. Copy, click this. We have to same Pinterest toolbar, same create board, click it and create. So one keyword I can why people promoting different keywords. Any people search this keyword, you can show into image way and promoting will be into YouTube way. So this all will be here. So people, how we can pattern, how to reshare Instagram post to story. So simple, we can guidelines will be here. So we can use this a particular option. So how many methods you have? That all method will be used here. So in this, how to share a post on your Instagram. In not a story, we can click for Pinterest account. Another board, you have to create it and create this one. Next option, how to share Instagram post story, how to share Instagram post to story, how to repost Instagram feed to post and stories, and here how to share with the multiple photos and videos. Here how to share post to Instagram stories and how to edit, how to share Instagram feed post as a story post option. So many peoples are here. How to post Instagram here. So people will be in this. What we can call post from remote. I'm adding for video. So how to share videos on Instagram? Copy, click for this Pinterest option. So without using this toolbar, we are not creating board. Board nothing but one video we can promoting with the multiple keywords. See this one. My video is the only particular title. How to share post or video on Instagram. But here, same video, I can use different keyword. How to share video on Instagram, how to share post to your Instagram, how to share post to Instagram story, how to repost videos on Instagram, this many. The final, the option is called Instagram Marketing 2023. This is my keyword. So, sir, this is suppose I'm searching this keyword where it is showing to our Google. That is called incognito window, search this keyword. They can visible like this are images. They can visible by the two patterns. One is called or Google search, a video will be displayed. Second thing will be display will be here. So in this image, our keyword will be visible to purpose. We have to use option name is called Pinterest on your particular website or YouTube channel. So one keyword or one image, that only option is called YouTube. Link same, image same, multiple keywords is called Pinterest option. So that Pinterest, one video will be promoting will be different keywords. We can simply say for I have give one more keyword is called social media marketing video tutorial 2023 ph. And what are the board you're creating? That is the adjustable only will be 50 character will be supporting. So that is the pattern follow will be here. So my question will be anyone people search will be the social media marketing video tutorial 2023. My video visible by the users. Where if we go on to search will be here, it will show will be like this. See how to we can show YouTube will be here. Same like you can show my Pinterest image. People when click here, they go to my video option. So this is the method we have to follow it and promote the one video with the different keywords. The option name is called Pinterest. If anyone asking question without website, one YouTube channel video will be promoting different pattern. It is follow or not, different keyword. Yes, we have to follow. That option name is called Pinterest. So this is a method you have to follow it and promote your video by using Pinterest option. Previous in I have to I'm showing will be here website. Now I'm showing will be Pinterest option. Follow this method and increase your YouTube views and subscriber based on the video quality. Always remember views and minutes will be watched easy, but subscriber, your content is good, they're getting for more subscriber on your particular channel. So if you have any question about this, please ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.